SCEV is a pathway through college and a community for students to share stories and grow together toward a more just world.
Students participate in campus activities like Navigate, Trips, the Michaels Hall Service Program, and Community-Engaged courses throughout the year.
And SCEV pays for coffee, dinner, workshops, service, and a retreat to reflect on how you're growing.
Students in SCEV are offered funding to pay for expenses associated with many of the activities, including participation fees and reimbursement for driving, meals, and more.
SCEV connects many of the St. Norbert programs and courses I was already doing, and I love having regular opportunities to connect with other students, alumni, and mentors.
3 words I would use to describe SCEV are enriching, spiritual, and positive.
Authentic, dynamic, and enlightening.
Fulfilling, community-oriented, and reflective.
Contemplative, compassionate, and meaningful.
3 words I would use to describe SCEV are leadership, vocation, and collaboration.
Growth, community, and inspiration.
Applications are open to students who will be sophomores and juniors next year. Go to snc.edu/engagedvocation to learn more and apply.